Hey, it's Adam here. Stop calling myself the Decay guy opening boxes, and I am now going to be the LED guy because I love LEDs. And I'm not just talking about RGB ones that I have on a back wall. I'm talking LEDs enhancing your life no matter where they are. And here in this envelope, I have some LEDs that I'm very excited about. Early in my career, like my first job out of college, I designed lights for Hondas and Acuras. But even before then, when I was 16 years old, I was designing electronics for my car. I made this custom LED strip that aligned up with my alarm because I didn't have anything like it. Soldered it, put it all together, ran the circuit, the chip, used it. It was fantastic. And now, like, a lot of that stuff exists, and there's so many fun things out there. But what I hate most about automobiles are when automakers still use incandescent bulbs. The only purpose for doing that is to save cost on their part, because it's going to be more expensive on your part over the life of the vehicle, because incandescent bulbs go bad all the time. LEDs do not. These things last tens of thousands of hours. These are license plate lights for my Toyota Tacoma. They fit standard bulb socket size. So most bulbs in the auto industry are all standard, so you can find replacements. These are by Lasfit. I run Lasfit LEDs in my headlights. I've been very happy with their products. I have them in my interior lights. And what's the advantages on LED besides long life? Well, long life is a huge one. But the next is color temperature, okay? If you see a dingy yellow light, all you're gonna think is Thomas Edison. Thomas Edison was like 100 years ago. Like, we need something modern, and LEDs look modern. They're a cooler light. They usually run cooler. You can run very bright LEDs, much brighter than an incandescent or halogen bulb. So I've got these non-traditional looking LEDs. They're gonna go in my license light. I can't wait to see it. This is literally the last light on my car that I haven't turned to LED yet, and I've been waiting for these. So first step is you need to take these license lights out because you cannot reach them from underneath. So I just got to go under the car here, pull them out. It's very easy. Just twist this. This is the old bulb right here. Oh shoot, don't let that fall through. We get our new one out. Put our new one in. Just like that. Then you just gotta line up the tines. Twist it in place. Like that. Click in. And we can repeat for the other side. Yeah, so if you're looking for something to sweeten up the look of your ride, brighten up even that glow, make it look like good color temperature, not give off that outdated, ugly yellow and have to change them multiple times over the life of your car, check them out.